Why, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Xander from Fun King 3D, and you are watching Xander's Thing Thursday. This week's model requires a special filament, and it's a cool print.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
So this model is the invisible ghost, so, I hate it when you drop things and it just bounces away. Come on, where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, so this is the invisible ghost so scary by JanTec on PruciaPrinters.org, printed in the special printed solid invisible PLA. I'm going to set this down right here. JanTec printed it with a 1mm layer height, but I decided to do a 0.2 layer height on the FK1 with a 350 degree nozzle, a 0 degree bed, and I printed it just under 4,000 millimeters per second, and as you can see, it turned out flawless. So this filament is just great for this model. I mean, look at the invisibility quality. It's just magnificent. So this is Printed Solid's Pro Invisible PLA, and unfortunately it is out of stock, but it's just great filament. It has the ability to print between 0 and 450 degrees Celsius, and it has any speed from 5 millimeters to 5,000 millimeters per second, and it has no heat bed required. You will get perfect prints every time. So the Invisible Ghost So Scary by JanTec on PruciaPrinters.org is a great model for Halloween. There will be a link to it in the description below. This filament is also great for Halloween. Thank you for... Why did I do that? Okay, it's fine. I can print another one. As you can see, I have almost the whole spool of this stuff. But thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everybody, so I got gas today for only $1.39. But unfortunately, it was at Taco Bell. Oh, that'd be great.